Welcome to our adventure! In this video, we do some truly crazy shit with our kids, including taking them up close as possible to a moving train, and then hanging out on a glass ledge 78 floors above the ground. Join us as we continue our epic trip in Thailand.
Over and over and over again. There's shots, so whoever is watching this better value me and like and subscribe. Is that?
We can go now!
Makes me want to mom.
This is us leaving for the train market and the floating market. Alright, so this is our ride for the day. Thanks to some folks at YouTube telling us to hire Wichain. And let's do now.
Super snazzy! Super fancy! We are at the train market. We're excited. We have about an hour to look at all of the market and then the train will come. So let's take a look at what we find. Come on, Mama.
Alright, this is in the Maeklong railway market, and you can see, not for a tall guy, but food is being cooked and we're in the tarps. These tarps are the ones which is gonna get lifted up as soon as the train comes. Yep, right over here, all these tarps. And people have shops right next to the tracks, you can see. Right next to the tracks. So yeah. Grant. This is Damnoen.
Yeah.
We are taking the video. Craziness of looking at the market. Okay, let's see. This is Grant. I know, I'm coming. Yep, that's the market. Yeah. Crazy things Janelle and Churun does with the kiddos.
Standing behind the red line. Standing behind the red line.
Yeah, I know. Well, and that's Grant's toy.
No, don't touch it.
In the boat ride! So, Janelle, what did we just buy?
Bought a fan. 200
Box. $6. Hi.
Hi.
Alright, we're at the Red Coconut Sugar Farm. Okay, look, they're making this drink. They're making this drink, which is basically coconut sugar water. And coconut sugar water, and look, Grant, they've used all these coconuts to make sugar. They make gajak also of coconut sugar, which is very nice. Let's see if we can get some. We came at the Apava floating market. It's closed today. Some people say it's closed, some people say it opens at 5 o'clock. But come Saturday and Sunday, that's the day. But come to this market. This market is more quaint, prices are more right.
Welcome to the Mahanakhon.
So yeah, we have enough ride.
Look everywhere. Whoa. Whoa. Look. Look at we're in a tuk-tuk. Look it. What's happening?
Gran, it's going up. You see pressure in your ears? Look, Gran, the number's going 33 floor already. Wow. 40 floors. Look at that.
Whoa. We're on a tuk-tuk. Tuk-tuks are your favorite things. Look at, wow.
Oh. 68. Look at that speed.
Whoa.
340. Reached 340. And we're here. Yep.
Wow.
That was quick. 74th floor, Danelle.
Wow. He has a whole initiative.
Grant, how high is it?
568 high.
70.
Well, that needs to go down now.
Look at that. The Mahanakhon.
Go down.
Get in, get in.
Whoa.
Careful, Vita. Hi, Vibesy.
Grant, listen to me. You have to be at least somewhat careful here. Okay, please. Okay. It's high. It's very high. I like the yellow. I like the way they've decorated. Okay, it's still recording. Just hold it. That was terrifying.
It was terrifying.
And I kept doing it over and over and over again for shots. So whoever is watching this better value me and like and subscribe. Because that
We can go now.
makes me want to mom.
You will only get vertigo. That's not the first. You only get vertigo if you look down. Otherwise, you look straight, you will not get vertigo.
Don't look down. Like, take a good look down. Take a good look
You don't want to look down. That's the thing. And this is the rooftop of Mahanakhon.
Oh, going down should be safe. Going down.
It's okay, Vibesy.
It's okay. Is it all dark? No, the light's gonna go on.
Whoa. What?
Oh, what's he doing?
Do you know why they do this? So that your brain doesn't register how fast it's going.
Look, what is that? It's a monkey.
Oh, go slower down.
Thank you so much for watching. Please, as always, like and subscribe.